Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me. For today's video, we're going to talk about operations on radical functions or radical expressions. In this case, we have two binomial that we need to expand and simplify. So I'm going to add the instruction here to say simplify. And once you're asked to simplify radicals, you first look at it to see what is asking you to do, like what operation needs to be done on it. In this case, it's going to be to distribute using the FOIL method. So we're going to use FOIL to simplify, okay? So from here, we know first, outer, inner, last is the first term times the entire second parentheses. So the first term times the second parentheses. Then we're going to have the second term times the second parentheses. Alright? And from here, it's going to be time for us to be distributed. So we distribute the 4 to the first term, the 4 to the 50, to the root 5. We're going to have the root 3 root 5 times negative 3 and 3 root 5 times root 5. Alright? So remember, when you're multiplying the roots and a number by itself, they combine through multiplication. So here we go. So 4 times negative 3 will give us negative 12. 4 times root 5 will give us a positive 4 root 5. Now, 3 root 5 times negative 3. So the two numbers in front can be multiplied to give us negative 9 root 5. And 3 root 5 times root 5 will give us a positive 3 root 25. Alright, so once we're here, now it's time for to simplify further, and we can also group like terms. So we see that the root 5 here and the root 5 here can be grouped. We see that this root 25 can be broken down to a smaller term, which is going to give us 5. So it's 3 times 5. Positive 4 root 5 minus 9 root 5 will give us a negative 5 root 5. And we're going to bring our negative 12 down. So once we're here, we can go ahead and simplify, because we know 3 5s here is 15. So we can erase this and put 15 right here, and we can put the 3 times 5 right here, just for us to remember what we did. Alright? So now we can group all the numbers or the constants, and then we group the radical one. So in this case, negative 12 plus 15 will give you 3. Since as the 5 root 5 cannot be simplified, we're basically going to write it back. So we're going to have minus 5 root 5. And there you go, where you have radical expressions being combined through multiplication and addition. We can always simplify them using some property of mathematics. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll be happy to answer them for you. See you guys in the next one.